Hey guys, today I got an ARE V series. It's the 09 to 18 Ram, 1500 crew cab with the 5.7 bed. Burgundy in color. This is in really good shape. We took this one in on trade-in off this guy's truck. Paint's in great shape. The top and the top edge look good. The way through here. Does actually have one small nick clear up here. Yeah, way up here on the top, about in the center. A little bit of paint flake here around the window right there on the edge, but nothing real major there. Small chip right there. Bottom edge looks good, no damage on the bottom edge. Half side sliders on the side, sliding window in the front, small chip right there. There it is. Through here, the top and the front and the top edge look good through here. Very minor chip there. And we got another little chip right there. Down through here looks good. No damage on the bottom edge here at all. Sliding window in the front. Window slides open, allows access into the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close it back up like so. Seal that back up again. This side looks good. Same thing on the other side. It's kind of a little bit of the clear coming loose on that corner right there, but not sure why it just does it. Same spot on both sides. Top of it does have a small chip right there. Other than that, the top looks good. The top edge looks good. Down through here looks good, no damage. A small chip right there, real tiny one. Bottom edge on this side looks really good, no damage. Now we took this one right off the guy's truck, so half side slider, single T-handle locking rear door. Paint looks good through here. No damage there. Inside is carpeted interior. Screens look really good on this side. Not seeing any damage on the screens at all. Front window is a tilt-in slider. So the window slides, plus there's a latch here and here, which allows this window to open up so that you can wash the front of this window here and then the back of the truck cab window. Kind of keep that clean so you don't have dirt between the two windows. Then it flips back up, seals back up, lashes back closed like so. This screen here is in great shape, no holes on it. Oh, and a small little snag right here on the screen. Just that one spot, that's it. Screen looks good there. There it is, the serial number of the ARE. It's a max fit. It was an ARE built by ARE. It's the it was just allowed them to run two different lines in the same city. Built specifically for 2011 Dodge, double cab, extra short bed, the V series. Red crystal is the color PX or PRP deep cherry. Sorry, wow. PRP Deep Cherry Red Crystal is the paint code, so it's a tri-coat paint. So there it is. Got an ARE V series. It's the 09 to 18 Ram, 1500 with a 5.7 bed. It'll also work on the 19 to 24 model Ram Classic body style. Not the new body style, but the classic body style trucks. With the 5.7 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well through there. Just go on our website, type in what you're looking for, and we'll take care of it from there for you and get it going. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style, certain body style, certain or cap style, certain color, brand or what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.